In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Dance Dance by Fall Out Boy off of their album From Under the Cork Tree. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Dance Dance is your favorite Fall Out Boy song. And let's dive in. The guitar part's gonna kick in halfway through the first verse, and it'll sound like this. So we're gonna play that part starting on the 6th fret of the 3rd string. And then what we'll do is we'll release our 3rd finger from the 6th string. The 1st finger should be barring the 4th fret on the 3rd and the 4th string. So we have this. 3rd string, 3rd string, 4th string, and then repeat. And then what we do is bring our pinky to the 7th fret of the 3rd. And then back to 4th fret of the 4th, and repeat. And then we'll kick into the pre-chorus riff. The pre-chorus is gonna start 2nd fret, 5th string. We hit that twice. And then we hit 4th fret of the 5th string twice. And then an open 4th twice. 4th fret of the 4th twice. And then we have 2nd fret of the 4th once. And then back to 4th fret of the 4th once. And the rhythm's gonna be following the vocal line, so it'll sound like this, slow. And then to transition back in, we just hit 2nd fret of the 5th 3 times. Let's pick up the speed a little bit. And then right before we hit the chorus, all of the other parts will drop out except for that verse guitar line. And then we're into the chorus. The chorus is going to be all power chords, and the sequence will be like this. We'll start on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, using our basic power chord shape. We'll slide up to the 5th fret. Then we go to the 3rd fret of the 6th string, then to the 2nd, then over to the 1st fret of the 5th, and repeat. And the right hand rhythm is gonna be pretty much 16th notes, skipping notes here and there. So it'll sound like this, slow. There's a 2nd guitar line playing in the chorus, and it'll be octave swiping this part. So we have octaves on the 2nd fret of the 5th, so that'll include the 4th fret of the 3rd. Right hand rhythm will be the same as the other guitar, up to the 5th fret, up to the 10th fret, down to the 9th fret, and repeat. And we're back into the verse. In this verse, there'll be two guitars playing. The first guitar will be playing the same part it did in the first verse. The second guitar will be following the bass line, and it'll sound like this. So what we're doing there, we start 2nd fret, 5th string, hit that twice, then 5th fret, 5th string, hit it again, and then we jump immediately to the 5th fret of the 6th. So we have this. So we're hitting that 5th fret of the 6th string 3 times, then we go to the 3rd fret. Back up to the 5th of the 5th string, over to the 5th of the 6th, and repeat. So let's go through all of that slow. And then we'll play another pre-chorus, just like we did out of the first verse. This time, before we get into the chorus, there'll be a breakdown where there's just drums and vocals playing. Coming out of that part, we'll just swipe the strings like this. Then we'll play the second chorus exactly the same as the first, and then we're into the bridge. The bridge is going to be a lot of octave swiping, starting on the 5th string. So we're on the 2nd fret, up to the 4th, up to the 5th, then the 7th quickly, 9th quickly, and then we do this unison bend. So we're at the 12th fret of the 2nd string, and then we'll be bending the 14th fret of the 3rd up to that note. So we have this note, the next part of the breakdown is just all octave swiping. So that's basically repeating what we did the first time through. 4th fret here, 5th fret, 7th, 9th. So the ending's different. The first time through the breakdown we did this. Second time through, we're doing this. Now we're going through the 3rd time. 2nd fret, 4th fret. Now at this point, we'll be speeding it up. We'll go 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, and we'll jump over to an octave on the 4th string. So we have 9th fret 4th string and 12th fret 2nd string. And at this point, instead of playing just 8th notes like this, we're going to jump back into 16th note picking. So we'll hit that. We'll go down to the 8th fret quickly, right back up to the 9th, to the 11th, to the 14th, and then slide up to the 16th. So let's go through that ending part of the breakdown together slow. And then coming out of the breakdown, we're just going to be swiping strings. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we kick into the last chorus. So that's the first guitar part, same as all the other choruses. The other guitar part is playing this. Coming out of that last chorus, we're just going to strum open strings. And we just let that ring for a couple of measures. And then to end the song, what we'll do is play that verse guitar riff. Was From Under the Cork Tree the best Fall Out Boy album? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.